Hi everyone, in this quick guide I will tell you single spacing in Microsoft Word like this one. This paragraph has single spacing while this paragraph has 1.5 spacing. This is very simple, very easy. Let's get started. First you need to select the paragraph and then right click and go to the paragraph, and this dialog box will be open, and here you will see that spacing option, and here you can see that line spacing is 1.5 lines. You just need to click this drop down and select the single, and in the preview you will see that the line spacing from has been converted to single, and now click OK. Similarly, this paragraph has been double line spacing. You need to select the paragraph and go to the again paragraph, and under the spacing you will see that double. Click on this arrow and click on the single and click OK. And in this way you can easily convert the single spacing of the paragraph. If you want to convert the spacing from entire document, what you have to do, Control A, you need to select all the text, click OK, right click and go to the paragraph, and here is the line spacing to single and click OK. So now your entire paragraph is single spaced. So if you think this video fix your problem, you have learned something new, please don't hesitate to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.